Hello, everybody. It's Lynnis, and welcome to Lynnis Minutes. I hope everybody had
anion product. A product, negative ions come from lightning strike, and we do not want to.
And it's really because I have a 3-part framework or process called exploration.
some quick tips, tools, and techniques that are going to aid you in midlife. Well, welcome into the Wellness Woman group. This is a wonderful group of women who care about wellness. We have over 6,300. In fact, I added 175 women today. And I wanted to introduce you to the group, and I wanted you to tell them what you did and tell them also about your experience we had today on Clubhouse.
Oh, it was a great experience. Thank you for inviting me to moderate with you. And Clubhouse is just it's a crazy way to connect, and it's new and it's different and it's exciting, and it really allows you to use your own voice. And it's interesting because here we're being seen and it's visual, and I'm normally a visual person, but I love that it allows people to hear your voice, and it's your authentic voice. It's who you are at your core, and it allows you to speak to people and meet people that you didn't know before, and you probably would have not met. You wouldn't even know they existed, pre-Clubhouse. Right. So now I feel like I have several hundred people that I've met that are really cool and different and enhance my life in some way that I never knew could be enhanced. So it's great. Absolutely. I am actually, and it's perfect for what I'm doing because I am an architect of connections and really a connection strategist and coach. And I've also been doing I've been an event strategist for the last 20 years and creating and producing events both in person and virtually, and experiences for CEOs and leaders all over the world, which is really cool. And the retreat, obviously the global retreat business kind of crashed as of March. And I really wanted to look at, what do I really do? What am I doing with all of these programs that I've been creating for 20 years? And at the end of the day, I'm connecting people. And I'm connecting people through learning and through having this really unique experience that's memorable. And so what makes it special are the people that they have that experience with and what they learn while they're doing it. And that's what they walk away remembering. And I've been able to recreate that virtually and in Zoom rooms and through all different types of experiences virtually. And I actually, we discussed it this morning that it's been easier to meet people virtually than it is in person. First of all, you're not limited. You have the entire world at your fingertips. And I'm in Boston. I know you're on the West Coast. And what would have been the chances that we would have met in person? I haven't been in California in several years, and you haven't been in Boston. And, so we've been able to meet and create a relationship and a connection that might not otherwise happen. And that's what's really special about online. And one of the things that I mentioned this morning was that it's been there. I mean, Zoom has been around for a while, but nobody thought to use it as a way to really connect with people in the sense that it had a very specific business use, but not a real social use. Right. And now we've been able to learn how to, bring those together and mesh them and create an online experience for people that I think if people are willing to try it, will enhance your life.
It definitely will. And I think it's great for midlifers for so many reasons. First of all, you don't have to worry about putting on a bunch of makeup and getting dressed and being in front of a camera. Second of all, there are midlifers on this platform. We are seeking each other out. I think we need to unite and take over the platform, quite frankly.
I agree. I'm there with you. Not a problem.
I think we will, because I know some of the people who are following me aren't midlifers, but that's fine too, because eventually they will be, and I can help show them how to get to that point. But I have well over 600 people that some of them I am following, a lot of them I'm not. I don't know, they saw me on different platforms in different rooms. So if you all have an iPhone, please join Clubhouse if you can. Now, I have some invites available. So, and that's the thing about Clubhouse. It's this thing about you have to be invited. So I do have some invites available. So whoever DMs me first in the next few minutes, I will go ahead and send you an invite to Clubhouse.
Also, this is the ground level. I mean, this is the beginning of it. grow it, in ways that I don't think we can ever imagine. So now's the time to get in if you can get in and
Yep.
start to meet people and start to, expand your network. And it's really, the hope is that it's people who are serving each other, not trying to sell each other at the end of the day.
Mhm.
And it's
No.
really about people, there are people on there that aren't so authentic, and you're able to sort of recognize that pretty quickly. But you're also able to recognize people who are on there with really good intention and really out there to help other people and meet other people and really enjoy that connection. So
Now, what is your handle on
it's my name at Caryn Saitz. My company is, if you're, and the other thing about it is you can't DM anyone. So you can search for them, but then you also can go to their Instagram and follow up with them in other ways. And so my company is called MastermindEX. It's mastermind with a big EX at the end of it. And it's really because I have a 3-part framework or process called exploration, experts or experiential learning, and then mastermind exchanges, so that you basically explore what your needs are through behavioral. I do behavioral assessments and all kinds of things, and then we teach you in the middle. So you have experiential learning from experts, and then mastermind exchanges, you get to continue that learning with a cross-functional process if you're in a team for a company, or as an individual with other individuals. So you get to actually learn it, and then you also get to actually implement it. And that's what's really special. And that's what I do, and I love
this
it.
This is how you can get Caryn, contact her on Clubhouse. If you don't
And
have
on Instagram, actually, it's the same thing
on Instagram too. Okay, fantastic. On Clubhouse and Instagram, you can connect with her to find out more about what she does. And for those of you who want to follow me on Clubhouse, it's V.I.B.E Lynnis, and I'd love to see you there. We will be doing rooms there. I have a room going on tomorrow and one on Saturday, and I'll tell you more about that later. I just wanted you to hear from someone else other than me, because you hear me blabbing all the time about how great
That's okay. It's great to hear you blabbing all the time.
We had a great time. It was great synergy, great information, and I'll be sharing those words of wisdom that we all did together that Caryn so kindly scribed for us, and I'll be sharing with that later on today. Caryn, thank you so much for
Thanks for having me, Lynnis. Great to meet all of you, and hope that we get an opportunity to connect going forward. Thanks again.
Thanks again, and thanks everybody. Please be well, and don't forget to vibe. Be vibrant, intuitive, beautiful, and emerge. And I will see you next Monday if I don't see you in Clubhouse before. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.